Bubble tayo sa loob and then ito, patay natin ito. Hold. Ready, 3, 2, 1, no. Kill. Patay niya. Kabaksat na. Okay, hold.
Mag-loot ko yun.
Okay, walk in. Hill front, fast. Walk in, fast. Walk in. Just walk in. Run over them. Go to the backline. Hold. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw, inside. Okay, spread your info. Just spread your info. Hanapin yung mga healer, yung mga clotting. Yan, hanapin nyo. Nasa northeast yung banda yung mga malalamputa. Just spread. Ready, dep, ha? Looking in ayan na sila. Wait, hold. That's it. Okay, come east. Come inside. Look south. No. Okay, ready, me. 3, 2, 1. Inside daw. Hit. Nice. Okay, come northwest. Sobrang north. Looking inside the colors. Mag-declamp kayo. Just declamp. Just hold. Just spread. Ito yung hold. And looking isa. Come, spread kayo sa west. Patay nyo to. Itong bomb mo. Hold. Ka-counter tayo, Ready, hold. Ready, in 3, 2, 1. It's uni. Hit. Spread in hill. Hit. Patay nyo na yung bab. 60 nice, good job. Good. Patay nyo yung low. 8 shots engage sila. Spread. Very good. Ready, tingin sa akin, 3 shots. Wait. Look south. Wait. Okay, ready yung minaw. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Hit. Big. Patay nyo. Kill. Okay, spread and ball again. Don't random drop east. Find the healers. Konti na lang heal. Patay nyo yun, patay na perma.
Perma.
Nice, good job. Loot. Ano na? May shots engage sila. Just hold. Good. Very good. Just spread. Wala pa sila engage. Ayan na, mag-engage na sila. Ready. Wait. Can you fake? Sandrin, can you fake? Fake west. Nice, good job. Wait. Ready for counter, Just hold. Look west side now. Wait. Look west side now. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Hit. Big. Nice. Ano nyo? Okay, ball again. Wala na sila magagawa. Ball again. Patayin yung mga low. Yung mga hilo, patayin nyo na yun. Hold. Just spread lang. Wala pa sila counter. Wala pa sila engage. Isip ko yung mga 5 shots may engage na sila.
Please don't try mo. Sa may
Hold. May engage na sila. Declamp na. Declamp. Okay, ready yung mate. Wait. Tingin lang. Just hold lang. Ready, dap. Nag-miss ulit sila. Ready, tingin saan. Wait. Look south. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Umi. Hit. Nice. Okay, hit again. Roll again. Spread. Mimic lang movements na. Mimic nyo lang. Isipin ko yung cooldown nila, around 10 seconds pa. Just hold. Just spread and roll.
Declamp pa.
Okay, around 5 seconds, mag-engage na sila. Hold. Ayun na, mag-engage na sila. Spread. Good job. Okay, ready inside mo. Ready, wait. 3, 2, 1. Inside. Hit. Nice! Putang ina no! Oh, boom! Okay, ball na. Mag-out na sila. Patay yung low. May sa taas pa. Yan. This is my fucking loot. This is my fucking loot. Mga popo ko. Paltaradato.
Tatlo sa amin.
Kill nyo.
Tatlo dito. Yung healer.
Don't forget loot, ah.
Sa akin yung silog. Ano mo silog?
Silog. Tara rito. Ito yung color, Ano mo?
MJ, ang loot, MJ.
Pigi. Malot.
Saan? Tingga.
Na.
Paano nakapagpalit ng skill yan?
Ang ina, kitang-kita ko yung ni Page. Ito pa heal pa. Oo. Ready? 3, 2, 1. No.
Akin kill, Ria. Mawa ka.
Sa akin yan. Bigay mo sa akin yung pre.
Hayaan mo down. Hayaan mo down. Ako pupugot.
Bigay na sa akin yung pre. Dama talaga.
Patay si Kev.
Hindi ko heal to si War mamaya.